today. So in today's video, I have the first update for this round of the Roulette Paint collab. If you're unfamiliar, this is a very short project, September through January, that was created by Rebecca Morgan and Alexi, who will be linked in the description box down below, along with a playlist, I think. So how this works is there's a list of 50 and then a list of 100 prompts. I've combined those together for a list of 150, and you basically randomize a number and each number has a prompt. I'm working on 5 products at a time. So this is gonna be a really short, quick update because I really don't have a whole lot of progress. So let's start with number 9, never heard anyone talking about. I picked this. This is the Shop Miss A cream blush. Can I see the color? No. I don't think it has like a name on it. But my goal is to use this 10 times. I've so far used it twice, including today. You're not gonna be able to see it because it's under a powder. But I mentioned in the intro, I love this cream blush formula. It's beautiful, inexpensive. This was $1. I don't think it's gonna take very long to use it up. I probably already have pan. Oh, I do have pan. So this is really, really pretty. A great way to try out their blush formula. And again, you could use this up really, really quickly and not feel bad that your cream products are going to waste. So I have 8 more uses on this one. Number 60 was a perfume. I pulled this. This is the Versace Bright Crystal, and I was like, oh, I'll have that done in a month. No, I wouldn't. I forgot about it. It's been on my vanity in here, and I usually put perfume on when I'm at my bedside table. So I will move this, and it will get used for next month. Number 103 was a product in loose form, and I picked this. This is the Sydney Grace Loose Highlighter in, I think it's Arctic Moon. Look at that, so pretty. My goal is to use this 10 times. I've used it twice, one of those today. It's a beautiful highlight, really subtle. There's a little bit of cream underneath it, that's why it's so, plus a illuminizing primer and an illuminizing foundation, and then an illuminizing setting spray. So I'm pretty glowy and hoey today, but I like it, it's good. So I've used this 2 times, we have 8 more times to go. Number 54 was a product that you overlooked, and I picked this. This is the Street Taco Palette by Glamlight. I just remembered I forgot a product. And my goal was to use each of these one time. I have not done that. So the last month I haven't been wearing makeup very often. I had 2 instances where my face was really irritated. One of those was my eyes from the Sigma Cinderella palette video, and the other one was just my face has just been off its rocker. So I haven't really worn makeup much in order to use this, but I just rolled in this into my No Pan Left Behind, so maybe we'll have a pizza taco day. God, that sounds good. I love al pastor street tacos, and I could probably eat 1,000 of them today. Of course, it's 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten today, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. So my goal is just to use each shade one time, so hopefully I will get that done in the next couple weeks. Number 66 was something black. I picked this. This is the Nars Lipstick in American Woman. I did not weigh it. Oh, there's a window. Oh, there's a window. You can see a little window. Let's mark that. Holy hell. Heck yeah. I'm gonna mark that with my nail polish when we're done. Hot dang. My goal is to finish that. I don't know if I'm gonna get it finished by January, but I'm gonna do my best. And I love that now we have a line of demarcation and I can go from there. Okay, and then last but not least, I picked number 12, and that's picking something that starts with the letter of your first name. I picked this. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. This is going in the TRASH. This is garbage. And like literal garbage. It's not like, oh, it's just, no, this is, I think this has gone off. I think it's bad. It was brand new. I mean, I just taken the seal off of it, but it smells god awful. So this is going in the trash, and we'll re-roll another number. It's in the trash. So let me pull up my spreadsheet. No, I've already pulled up the spreadsheet. Let me pull up Pretty Random. And if I get a number I've already used, I'll pick something else. But I'm doing 1 to 150. I didn't remove the ones I've already done just because I don't want to mess up my spreadsheet. 132 is, and again, my numbers are going to be different because I've combined them. 132 is something in your favorite shade. Oh, okay. Something in my favorite shade. Okay, I'll be right back. This is the box of samples. It used to be a bag of samples. It is now a box of samples. Okay, I'm gonna pull in this. This is the Keys Rich Moisturizing Body Cream. This is by Alicia Keys. This is her skincare brand. You don't hear very many people talking about it. Ooh, the packaging is purple too. Oh, this is pretty. There's, look at that. Oh, it looks pretty. I don't even want to touch it. It's like a very faint scent. Almost like maybe lavender or something, because it kind of reminds me of like a baby wash. So yeah, my goal is going to be to finish this, and then I will let you guys know if it's worth $900 or however much it's listed for on Ulta. So that's it. So I have 8 more uses on this. I mean, that might actually finish this off since I've already hit pan. I have 8 more uses on this. This won't even make a dent. What else? Oh, this. I'm gonna mark this. Again, I'm trying to finish it. And then the perfume, hopefully this will be done. And then hopefully this will be done. So that's it. Quick, simple, ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you are doing well. It's not too late to join this collab. All of the information is listed in the description box down below. Let me know if you're doing it. Click the hashtag. You will have many hours of binging material. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Long to see you and regret the dark hour. Gone and neglected is pale wildflower. That song from Walk the Line has been stuck in my head for days.